Many times the oocytes that are retrieved during a IVF cycle, either they don't fertilize at all or the fertilization rate is very less. This can happen in many circumstances. Firstly, what can happen that all the eggs that have come out they are bad in quality, or the sperm is not that much, the vitality of the sperm is very less. Like the DFI is also very high in these cases. So in these cases also the fertilization rate is very poor. Sometimes the eggs that are coming, like the we do the gradation of the eggs, that is the M2, M1 GV. So there are no M2 eggs or the M2 eggs are very less. In that cases also the fertilization egg rate is very poor or there is nil fertilization rate. Secondly, there are chances that the place where the egg is being fertilized, the atmosphere or the people who are involved in doing it, they are not of the right quality or they have not done the right thing. But that is usually very rare because every IVF center who is practicing, they want all their patients to conceive and they have got proper precautions so that all these things are done properly and the egg is properly, the embryos are properly made. So usually there are chances that there are problem with the gametes. And it is always better to address these issues because if the patient wants to conceive through their own egg or sperm, so it is better to work on them and improve the quality of the egg or sperm by doing stem cell process, by doing PRPs, by doing lifestyle changes, by taking different kind of nutraceuticals. So it is the responsibility of us doctors to always tell the truth to the patient so that the patient can work harder on oneself. It's like a fitness thing, like you're getting coached, your body is getting coached. If you're like want to reduce weight, want to achieve something, want to shed off some medical disorder from your body. So it is the same thing if with your gametes. So and we as doctors should be like coaches to you and we will prepare your body for that so that if you are going for the second cycle, at least the same thing doesn't happen. So if ever you are facing this problem of no fertilization or less fertilization, please don't lose hope and you should always go for a second trial with more, obviously with definitely with more precautions and more preparations. Like you're giving a second time exam, that is with more precaution, more preparation, more coaching. So that is the take home message. Don't lose hope and keep on trying. We care about you.